Here's another use for ratios. Suppose you've got this triangle here. You could say that the ratio of length to height is 5 to 1, or you could say the ratio of the height to the length is 2 to 5. Now, suppose you've got this triangle here. Hang on. So you could actually do this. Hang on. You could enlarge this. You could enlarge it like this. You see that? Or you could actually reduce it. So originally you are here. Okay, you are here, and you could actually reduce it. You see, if you look at the height, as the height increases, the length also increases. So it's a proportional relationship between the two. So here, as one increase, the other increases. As one, so you were here originally. As you decrease the height, the length also decreases. Okay. So hang on. So hang on. Let me get rid of this. So now, so at the moment, you can see that the height is 2 because it's 1, 2. The length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The length is 5. Now hang on. Look at this one here. Hang on, not this one. Look at this one here. Now I've enlarged it. So now you can see that when, hang on. Let me just move it. So it is actually the same triangle but just enlarged. Can you see that? It's enlarged. Hang on. So now you can see the height is 5. The height here is 4, and the width here is the length here is 10. So you see the ratio of this to this is actually the same as the ratio of this to this, or you can say the ratio of this to this is the same as the ratio of this to this. Okay, so suppose you didn't know this 4 here. Suppose you're told that, oh, this triangle is an enlargement of this triangle. You've enlarged, well, the length is now 10. What is the height? Well, you can actually, well, you can use ratio to work it out here. The ratio of this to this here, well, let's say 5 to 2 here. Now you've been given 10 here, so that remember that this is the length here. So this column here represents the length, this represents the height. Well, we've been given the length, so it goes on the left-hand side. And you want to work out x. So now it's just a matter of using our normal process. You want to start 2 and then jump into the x. But you need that multiplier. You see, here you need to, well, the multiplier will be destination, which is 10, and divided by, which is 10, and then divided by the original here, which is 5. So the multiplier is really 2. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So the multiplier is 2. So if you want to work out x, you just get this times this. Okay? Or you could, yeah, that's one way of doing it. Okay? So here, let's say you've, this triangle here, this is our original triangle here. I'm going to say that this length here is 15. What is this height here? Okay, work out x. So this triangle, this triangle here is what's called similar to this triangle here. Well, similar is just really an enlargement of our original shape here. So the special name for it is similar. This triangle is similar to this triangle. Okay. Hang on, let me go back to my original one. Hang on, where is it? You see, hang on. So this is a triangle. This is our original triangle here. Now, if I were to stretch this here, stretch it. Now this triangle here, okay, wait there. This triangle here, the new triangle here, this triangle here is not similar to this one. You see, when it's similar, it means that it's been enlarged in the correct proportion. So when you increase the height and the length in the same proportion, that's similar. You see, what I've done here, I've just stretched it. So this new triangle here is not similar to the original one. Okay, let me get rid of this. So now, okay, so this triangle here, I've enlarged it to a new triangle, but we don't know this height. So to work out this height here, start with this. Write down the ratio for 5 to 2, or you can do 2 to 5. It doesn't matter. 5 to 2, and then we've been given that this is 15. Okay, so what is this height here? Well, this is, remember, on the left hand side is a length first. So this, we've been given the length here. So 15 goes here. Okay, and you want to work out x. So ultimately you want to get from 2 into the x here. You need that multiplier. Well, the multiplier will always be the destination, 15, divided by the original here. So really the multiplier is 3. Okay, 15 divided by 5 is 3. So over here is 3. So you would get this times this here, and then that will give you 6. So this height here is 6. Okay,